Hit for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Hit for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I'm on my job, I get it done, but you should know that. Shine like a sun, a 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that. All I know, 10 toes, never fold, bang roll, on the go, ice wall, ice wall, ice wall. Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I miss my baby, so I hit them on the FaceTime. I need it all for them, so no, I cannot waste time. Facing these oceans, feel the water on my waistline. We trust the process and I only know it takes time. You can get it, got no worries, I'm gon' make mine. Going global, I'ma get it out the state lines. Paying taxes at a more than what you make now. Different bracket, eating off a different plate now. For my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. For my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, won't stop. Yeah. I'm so handsome. All in Carmine's with my Benzo, I'm so fancy. No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. No time to play, got book dates. Had a plan, only had to wait. Always knew I'd make a way. Send a bill, they send a pay. Keep it real, keep the record straight. Keep it real, no time to fake. All authentic in my own lane. I am me till I'm in the grave. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, won't stop. Ooh, never panic. Get a worry, send it up and then it vanish. Yeah, I can't stand it. At all the way you move and see you scrambling. On offense, no defense. Still strong, no weakness. Used to say I wouldn't beat this. Now they wish they could beat this. Tables set, not tables turn. God's plan, don't say a word. Know the price, cause I know my worth. My time, get what I deserve. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, won't stop.
Good morning all. Yes, sir. Hope everyone is good. Hope everyone is well. Let's see here. All systems are working. Let's get a bank holiday today. I normally don't trade bank holidays, but thought I'd show up because I want to do some analysis here. And gold might break out here. We saw Asian very strong. We could form a London range, but I just want to keep an eye on it because this could be something different here as we're seeing gold break out. I'm only going to focus on gold. I'm not trading anything else today, only because I see opportunity in gold if it starts to break out. So let's have a look what's going on today. Obviously today being bank holiday, we have Labor Day in the US. Typically bank holidays very unsuccessful for me, and I just always get messed up on bank holidays. We're having amazing breakouts here on gold, so we'll see if this starts to continue and then take it from there. So let's go and do the analysis though and mark up for this week, right? First day of the month, I want to come and do an analysis. Even if I don't take a trade, at least I'm prepared for tomorrow by doing the analysis. Starting here on weekly time frame, actually monthly time frame, very strong monthly candle close here on gold. We can see a big close towards the upside here, and yeah, quite positive, looking to tap into this wick here. Right, this ATH all-time high. Weekly time frame also bullish, strong breakout candle. Daily time frame obviously bullish, 4-hour time frame obviously bullish as well. We don't really have a very strong bottom wick on this 4-hour, but nevertheless is a bullish candle. Our 4-hour resistance is just above head right here. You can see that's where we've tapped. So we might get a breakout above the 4-hour resistance today, and that's the only play I'm looking for. Us being at target, that's it. We could end up pulling back. There's a lot of things that can end up happening from this session. We could just range in here, but I just want to keep an eye on it, stay around for a little bit, an hour or so, and see what happens. DAX here, I want to do a markup monthly time frame closing doji here, not really strong monthly. We can write this here. This could be an issue for the month here. MR weekly time frame here as well, as you can see, tapping that now, bearish weekly candle close, daily time frame bearish, and DAX does look like it does want to dump down here, but we do have this kind of 4-hour range that we're forming right here, 4S, and bias is inevitably bearish today, but with it being bank holiday, I'm reluctant to really look for good opportunities on here unless inside of the range. So I want to at least give this as a day where I see what happens with price action and tackle it tomorrow. And pretty simple markup, to be honest. If I was looking for opportunities today, I'd be looking for maybe some tight sells below here, obviously sells below this range, but we trade into the previous 4-hour resistance right here. But there is of course a little bit of room before we reach here for our support, I meant. And yeah, that's what I'm looking for here. How about sells from 4-hour on what pair, my friend? On DAX, not trading it during bank holiday, so not really looking for something on that. But in terms of just a normal setup, yeah, that could work obviously if we create a clean range back up to here, but that's not looking like the case. In 3 minutes, this is most likely going to close bearish, and if we see this close bearish, then you're not going to get that clean range. But ideally those type of setups do work, pullbacks, but we have to remember we kind of had the pullback here over Asian was good, a lot of volume in Asian today. Then we had the change of structure, and then it's come to a target, so for it to do it again might be less likely than it happening naturally. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at for the moment here. If we go on back to gold here, let's see what happens with gold. My breakout's coming close to the top of the range here, so we'll see what happens with that and take it from there. And yeah, that's it for the analysis. Why is DAX affected by US bank holidays? Because it's a big index. Everything is affected by US bank holidays. This is what people think, man. Yeah, US holidays, London's still open, so we can trade DAX. You can trade it, but the probabilities change during bank holiday. Futures are closed today. There's a lot of things that don't happen on bank holiday, and it brings general market inconsistency. If you don't believe me, go through my journal and check every bank holiday. USD bank holiday, loss. What pair did I trade? GBP JPY. That should have nothing to do with bank holiday, right? USD bank holiday, look here guys, loss. DAX. That was a DAX trade. I lost. Go in my journal and you'll see every bank. We don't have so many bank holidays, but every bank holiday has been a loss because of inconsistencies here, right? So we want to be careful during bank holidays because it's just general low probabilities. The only reason I'm showing up today is because gold is doing something out of the ordinary and I want to keep an eye on it. I also would like to do my monthly analysis and have a look what the hell's going on in the market. I took the gold setup too. What do you think? I saw it. I don't really see. I think that's a really random time, very aggressive. But I get the idea. You were trying. You could have just got stuck in a messy range. So you just have to be careful with those. But it did work out today. We have a lot of volume. So you have to identify which day is good to do this and which day is not. I don't really like it and I don't recommend it because you tapped target, man. You never want, like as a rule of thumb, you never want to take a setup 2 once target's tapped, man. You tap the 4 hour, that's target of the day. So only today we're looking for trades above that 4 hours. So if price wants to break out, if I see signs of range, we're gonna hop off, we hop on tomorrow. No one's gonna trade bank holiday. There's lower probabilities, but gold might break out, everyone's sleeping. And we might get volume because market has shown us that there is volume. That's my point. If I woke up this morning and we're stuck in a massive range, then I'm like, okay, I'm not trading today. But the fact that we broke out 200 pips shows me that there are market participants. Is something I want to be interested in. I'm thinking I want to buy a new chair here, man. I think I might make the investment into one of those stupid, freaking expensive chairs, man. Been a long time and I think like it's causing me postural issues, you know. I think this chair is causing me postural issues. Pretty tall guy and I don't have the best posture because of my tight chest rounds your shoulders, which is not good. So I think I want to go ahead and make the investment into that Logitech chair. Herman Miller, you know. I mean, I sit here all the time, you know. All the time I sit here at my PC and, you know, I think it makes sense to, you know, treat yourself right. You can't, there's no price on health, longevity. Fuck, man, it's just too expensive. 5K? That's just ridiculous, man. Fuck, man. It's too much, man. 7K? 7K for a chair? Are you kidding me, man? It's supposed to be really good though. That's just nuts, man. I'm looking at this chair, man. This one. This is supposed to be the shit, man. It's like a almost $3,000 chair, but it's supposed to be one of the best, you know. Herman Miller are well worth it. That's what I've heard, man. I've seen these chairs around for years and people have just said it's really worth it. I don't know, man. Chair and headphones, these are work essentials. I know, right? But I'm here all day, you know. Apparently it's really good for your spine and master your posture. I slouch a lot, man. I slouch a lot. What is it called? This one. Where is the chair? 5,900? Shit, man. Here it is. $2,000 chair. Fun, man. $2,000 chair, man. It's pretty nuts if you ask me, man. Can't someone from China just copy this? Like, they're really good at that stuff, you know? Copper infused cooling foam. So my ass is not gonna sweat when we're in drawdown, huh? Pretty good, huh? No ass sweat during drawdown. Man. I don't know. here it is, man. 7,000 dirhams, man. Holy crap. It's so expensive for a chair, man. Yeah, I could buy winglets for my GT3. I could buy so much cooler stuff. Like, what do I get out of that? Fee fun, man. I guess you can't, you know. Take it for who works in a video post-production. The chair will save your hospital I can't speak. Chiropractor fee, yeah. Ergonomic chairs are a necessity nowadays if you sit long for a day. Yeah. You're right, you know. I mean, it's no joke, you know. No, because I'm actually getting problems. Because I sit slouched all day. That is starting to pinch nerves, and from my operation in my forearm, it's actually becoming something that I have to now consider. You know, I have to sit more straight. I've adjusted my whole setup today. Chair is like straighter today. Look how straight I'm sitting. Full straight. I normally sit, if you watch how I sit normally, man, I'm a disaster. I sit like this normally. Full back on the chair. You see? Why not get standing desk? Because then it fucks your wrist when you're standing and using your mouse like this for ages. You know? Gaming chair is totally worth this. Yeah, they just look nice. I'll tell you the comfiest chair I sat, and it's not to flex. But posture-wise, it's not to flex, is the GT3. I promise. It's like you're in this bucket. It's perfectly done. If I could take my GT3 seat and put it here on my PC, you're rocking. I promise. Full. Like this. Full. Hugs your side. It's amazing. I bought a chair because it's the most important factor. Yeah, I think, you know, it's important as much as it is, but, you know. Shit, man. Do you take any live trades? I haven't seen any. Today's bank holiday. How long have you been here? We took 3 last week, man. Live. Remember, we had New York as well. You can see the journal. Maybe you just don't show up. So we had 3 trades last week. This was all last week. 27, 28, 28. 3 trades live. We had win, break even, and then a loss. So not the worst, not the best. I feel naked without the Zoom. Still waiting on my bank. No problem, man. Anytime you're ready, you let me know. Guys, we need to hit 100k today, man. 100k today. Leave a subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like. Harry's current chair. Actually, I've had this chair for years, man. If you check like my old video, if you go down to my old videos, you'll see I have the same freaking chair, man. Even back 4 years ago. Check the chair, huh? Watch, guys. 4 years ago. 4 years ago. Oh, I don't even use camera 4 years ago. But I've had the same chair. That it stinks? No, it actually doesn't. It's made out of this hard material, but... Let's see if we break out here and go. Let's check live sub counts. Live sub counts. Analytics. Where can we find live sub count? Channel analytics. Subs. See live count. There we go. 949, guys. 50 subs. I don't think we can hit 50 subs in a day. On stream, I don't think. In a day, yes, maybe. But no one subs, man. Let's see how many we gain this stream. We could try. Of course we can try. There's no harm in trying. Not we could try, we should try. We should try. Anyone who you know trades and wants some value, send them the stream. Let's go and run full, because you know Tradesharpe, we like to do things based on data, right? So let's go and analyze. Let's go and analyze my analytics of how many people are subbed to the stream. Because if we can check that out, so we go live, we go to my last London session stream, and we go to analytics. So this is my last London session stream. We only had 5 subscribers, made $3, very nice. But out of these viewers, let's see, audience, 23% are not subscribed. So 23 not subscribed, what's 23% of 820, not 8, well yeah, unique viewers, 820. Yeah man, that's like almost 200 man, that's like 100, so that's easy. It's easy if those people subscribe. No, don't fake account, don't fake account. Don't fake account, subscribe. Damn, nice, thank you guys, thank you. We'll keep an eye on this. Do you advise to stay out GJ on US bank holidays according to your trade tracking? Yeah, based on my data, it hasn't worked. I saw that, Harrier. I saw this chair here. It's the same price as that other chair, man. It's the same price. It's more expensive. This is 10,000 dirhams. But I don't think this is like as good, you know? I don't think this is as good. It just looks like what I have now. I just think I'm paying for a brand here. It's 2,500. It's even worse than the other one, man. Worse. How much does a Porsche seat cost? 992 GT3 carbon bucket. What if we make a custom chair? How much does the seats cost in my car? Price. Fuck's sake, man. 16,000 euros? $12,000? Alright, cancel. Cancel. Jesus. Not paying 16k to sit on my ass, man. Shit. Just buy a Herman Miller? Yeah, we were looking at it. Look how much Airbus A380 seats cost. I'm alright. Probably that's gonna cost an arm and a leg. Those seats have the fair. Oh yeah, that's a great idea, man. Who needs a passenger, right? Who needs a weight saving, remove passenger seat, and that's a great idea. Harry, for the market bias video, you mentioned in previous daily bullish uptrend, single 4-hour bearish candle did not turn more into sells because it didn't break the lows. But could I also say there is no change of structure on 4-hour itself for reversal? Yeah, but sometimes we don't have enough time. So when you have like, if you're waiting for a change of structure, okay, if you're waiting for a change of structure, then it's too late sometimes, right? It's too late, the move might happen. So instead of waiting for change of structure on 4-hour, you can look at the lower time frames to see if we get that. Harry, yesterday's video was great. Learned many new things regarding targets, market positioning. Thanks a lot. Yes, sir. Yesterday's video is a good one. These ones don't really get watched too much. I tried to make the title a little bit more attractive and more clickbait to get people to watch these type of videos. But people need to realize that your profit is made when your position is in profit, right? So you need to know how to manage that. Giving out S5 secret source 2 YouTube video was goated. Yeah, I didn't really give anything out. I said they had to join. They don't really get it. The comments are saying, please tell us S5. Didn't really told them how to execute. Plus they see it a bit on stream, so it's the same value. Little teaser, yeah. Silver been on a tear. Alex loves silver, man. Divorced with gold, married to silver, Alex. It is on a tear, yes. So maybe gold follows through here and we actually get a breakout during London. Let's have a look. How many more subs left to go? Let's have a look. Oh shit, we might actually, if we actually push today, guys, we might get it. 963. 30 subs, 35 subs, we can do it. Maybe I post on my story. Should we stream till we get 100k? 100k, 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 100k Yeah, I think we have to do this today. Fuck's sake. Let's go. Road to 100k. Yeah, let's put a small story up. See what we can do. Fuck this thing. Road to 100k today, live. Gold might break out on bank holiday. See if we can catch a quick trade. Make 100k in a trade would be nice, but you know, I don't think it happened yet. But let's go. Join up, leave a sub. Today, live. Gold might break out on bank holiday. See if we can catch a quick trade. Let's see. Bank holiday not affecting gold? Yeah, that's why I showed up today, because I'm like, hey man, gold has looked like it's moving well. Alright, let's see what's happening. Sorry, I'm not interested in your reel. Yeah, legit, we might actually get it. Some mojo unfollowed? Yeah, we'll get those. Those are trollers. It's fine though. We'll leave it like this. Live sub count. There we go. Ah, man, you click away and it goes away. That sucks, man. Need to find a way to keep that permanently there. How would I do that? Let's see gold here. Let's see gold. 15 minutes. If everyone puts story, we don't want fake subscribers. We don't want fake subscribers. We want real subscribers. You know? No fake subs. Come on. The thing is, if we get the stream moving and people show up to stream today, you know, find always on top. How do you do that, man? How do you do always on top? No, I don't think it's fake. They are my friends. Yeah, but make sure that they're gonna watch my content. YouTube hates people who just sub and don't watch my content. Make sure they're gonna watch my content. We have to change the title of the stream. Remember, I'm flying someone to Dubai, man. I'm flying someone to Dubai. I think gold is gonna go down now. Market is way too overbought. It's possible here, but we just want to follow the trend until it ends. Maybe we can get up to 90 key level today. I'll be looking for buys above 85 here. I'm going to change this to 85 key level. Exclusives get more chance? Technically, yes, they will do because of their requirements met. So they will do, yes. Navigate to the always on top section. Where's the always on top section, man? How do I navigate to the always on top section? We're actually doing really well, guys. I'm freaking shocked, man. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to you guys. You're not... This is insane. We actually will probably hit it soon. I'm in school right now. I made my friends sub to you. Make sure they watch Tradesharpe. You know? Make sure they watch Tradesharpe. I don't want fake subs. Make sure they watch Tradesharpe. Make sure, huh? Don't tell me they're fake subs. I don't want subs and then YouTube algorithm is screwed. First time we're getting this much subs? Yeah. I'm not fake, but make sure that they're interested in trading. What name will you keep on play button? Damn, that's not a... I think they put your YouTube name. This is given to Tradesharpe. I think we have to put... I'm also messaging everyone my contacts to get the subs. No, don't. Just let it naturally happen. Damn, 9991, man. Don't say that. Don't say that. Don't do that because then it's going to mess up the algorithm. We want people who will watch the channel. I'm buying you subs? That's a lie. Don't buy me subs. Actually, we might hit it soon, man. Watch people start unsubbing at 999, you know? We have it recorded. It's live on stream. That's sick, huh? It's actually very lucky that we might hit 100k live on stream. I've streamed over 700 streams. And it'd be sick to hit it on stream live in our London session. You know, that's quite rare to that lineup. We could have hit it overnight. I posted a video yesterday. Sometimes we don't get that. Get them biceps ready. I said bicep flex at 1,000 viewers. But maybe 100k get one bicep and double bicep at that. And gold breaks out same time, imagine. And we can take a nice long, huh? What are we waiting for to make a trade? Buys on gold above 85. Oh shit, guys. Slow down, slow down. Damn. Oh! You have to hold it at 99. You have to unsub and sub at 99. Let's go now, make new channel. No, natural subs. Ooh, shit. Might hit the 100k, here we go. We have to record. Oh, someone unsubscribing now. Let's see. Documented live, strong resistance. Oh, now we have resistance formed. We need a breakout. You're gonna get me tired holding my phone up. It's okay, liquidity grab only. Bottom wick, guys. New candle. Tradesharpe candle, bottom wick. Whoa, shit. 100k freaking subs. Let's go, boys. Leave a W in chat. Let's go. Full W's in chat. Fastest W's ever. Big one. Look at this, man. Damn. 100k subs. Smashed. Thank you all. Thank you. Alright, sweet. Who bought fake subs, man? Did someone buy fake subs? I swear if you bought fake subs, gonna be. How did that jump up to 11? Maybe people from the story. Let's see on the story. How many people clicked the link? Because everyone who clicked the link probably did that. Oh, you can't see insights yet. Very good, very good. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Sweet. We hit 100k live on stream. That's cool, man. Now 6 minutes for gold. Let's lock in. Giveaway time? The giveaway will take some time because I need to make a form. You guys will have to fill a form. There'll be something like this. I wonder if 5 minutes is enough here. We don't have 5-minute structure, which worries me. But we do have a 5-minute breakout. Come on, bicep flex, please. One bicep flex, one. Is that what you guys been waiting for? The one bicep flex. Oh, there you go. Finally, after how long? On what? When we get how many views? 1,000 views, we'll go double bicep flex. Did it show on YouTube? I was looking at Zoom cam. Oh, it didn't show too well on YouTube cam. So we'll give them one last chance. There you go. All for you guys, as promised. Enough subs. I feel like people are forcing subs. My agents are done. Bro, do they even trade? Tell me, do they even trade? Should we wait 4 minutes here? That is the question. I think we kind of have to wait 4 minutes for it to make sense. It will be very aggressive. 4 minutes would be good. But with such a breakout, with such heavy volume, we might have to be aggressive. So I might enter half, break of 5-minute high, and then enter the rest on the 15-minute close. Because we are in a full breakout season. Especially with 1-minute structure now formed. So yeah, 1-minute close above, I would do something with that. So we'll keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on that. They don't send you email when you hit 100K? Do you consider DAX trades today? Not really. Two minutes here? I think it would be great if we can wait for 15 here. Be a shame if it flips last 2 minutes. But we've seen that happen, right? We've seen that happen. So what I'm going to do is have half ready if it flips last minute. I'll still enter half just to be part of it. But I really do prefer the 15 and it looks like we might have the chance here. If it closes below, then that's even... I think that's a shittier situation because maybe it's the best because we avoid a fake out, but who knows? I think at this point we have to wait for 15. No chance. Remember guys, it can fake out this trade today. We are in London session and we are on bank holiday. But with everything I've seen, I kind of have to give it the shot, you know? I would feel like bad if I didn't give it the shot today. We are losing probabilities on it being bank holiday. We're losing probabilities on London breakout. But to not give it the shot, I think would be rude. Problem is 1-to-1 is pretty far away. But that's what we have to run. We could run aggressive stop loss and take thunderstorm. How much would a stop below this 1 minute structure would be worth? 38. Yeah, we could get away with 38 pip stops. Maximize stop loss. Because it really, if it closes back in the range, we're in trouble really. So like 38 pip stops. GP was interesting. Lando Norris retired someone. Yeah, it happens, man. Mechanical failures are rare these days, but you know it happens. It happens. The interesting thing is, if you know about F1, they replace the engines before Monza. The next race is Monza. So they replace the engines before that. So if it's going to happen, it's going to happen the race just before they replace the engine, right? Alright, see if we can get a bottom wick. So we have a bottom wick here. I'm going to give it a shot, break of high. Hopefully bank holiday doesn't mess us up. That is the dreams and hopes. You think it wants to push to all-time high? Wouldn't surprise me, not far away. All-time high is, yeah, it's not that far away, 500. Good bottom wick now. So I do like this. I do like that it's doing this first. This is great. 30-minute close as well. An amazing bottom wick. I guess we have to give this a shot, eh? Thunderstorm, 30-minute close, 15-minute close. If we're gonna break out, this is like our last chance, right? Not last chance, but you know, best chance. Beautiful bottom wick. That's what we want. In terms of confirmation wise, you don't really have much more you could ask for. Thunderstorm, 30-minute close above, 15 close above. Only thing we're lacking is 1 hour close above, but 1 hour close bullish. So there you go. All right, triggered there. Now we just need to see the volume. Not a bad 5-minute close. Let's see if we can continue up and onwards. $90 is a key level here. 90 is like a very hard level that we might stop before. Move stop loss up a bit. Below this 1 second 1 minute structure, so I've trailed stops to here. Shouldn't need to break that if it wants to go up. Come on, gold. Do it for Harry. Let's go. Come on, gold. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What a spike there, man. Oh, almost 89 there. I don't know if that tapped. What did that tap? 89.6. Looks like they're front running. They're front running this 89 level. Shit, I missed a close there. I missed to close there. This is front running orders. So instead of getting out at 90, 90 is key level, right? So instead of getting out at 90, they're front running orders. Stops are at break even now. Not losing this trade. I'm scared we get front orders here. Yeah, I was scared we're gonna get front orders there. Tap 90 on broker. That's at 90 level. Remember, stops are at break even. As it was flipping down below the low, I managed to get half out here. It was moving too fast to call. But remember, stops at break even. So I managed to get out half out here. I still have the rest running. This is another opportunity here, potentially to try get some half out. If you haven't. Let's see if we can continue the rest. Hopefully the rest can go to TP now. Let's go gold. Give me the rest to TP. Want to get paid today. 100k plus paid. Can't complain. So both ways I'm paid here. Both ways I'm paid. Let's see. Remember that 5-minute resistance we had? We want to close above this 5-minute. Look how we're rejecting right at it. So this needs to close above soon. Why don't you show your position on screen? Yeah, man, no problem, bro. You want me to show you? You say I'm a liar? Here's my position on screen, brother. Happy now? Come on, man. Always thinking I'm doing some bullshit. In the position. Stops at break even holding. How? Why would I lie about a position that I'm giving to everyone for free? You kidding me? $27 seconds. We need to close above. Come on. 1 minute candle here. Flip. Do some business. If this closes below here, it's a consideration to close half, huh? If you haven't already. I have. But if you haven't already, consideration to close half. Yeah, close below here. So risk is our entry can be tapped at break even. That's the risk. We have to respect this, huh? This is where we have to respect. This zone right here. Alright, my rest out is break even. And yeah, got something out of it. 0.4, not bad. I'll take it. I'll take it. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Happy to take this. On broker, tap this 90 level basically for a split second. So that's why I closed fast. Hoping that we could add a retap. But that was good, man. We had a great push here. 34 pips on a bank holiday. Can't complain. So if you secured something, congrats. A little bit of mismanagement. I should have closed full. But you know what, guys? Times have changed. Times have changed. You know why? This is the first time. After how long? The first trade of the month is a win. We broke the streak, guys. That's a win in itself. You can't complain today. 100k subs. Win. I mean, come on, man. Come on, man. Bank holiday as well. We broke it. All the time I lose on bank holiday. We haven't lost here. So that's a win. This is actually a thunderstorm. That's why I saw gold this morning. I'm like, I have to show up. I have to show up. I saw gold this morning. I have to show up. Nice. Nice, nice. Bro, you don't show your trades. God's sake, man. Don't know why you're gonna keep yapping about that when I literally put it on the screen. I literally... You know what? Let me teach him a lesson. I literally closed my terminal, but let me go. Here's your screenshot. Look in front of you. I'm taking screenshot. Snap. Okay, that's my screenshot. That same screenshot, I'm now gonna post it in my general chat. Okay, that you can see. Just to... And let it load. There you go. Like I said. Entry. I close here. And then... Boom. Thank you very much. So, if anyone's saying... That's your proof then. Anyways, you should get the silver play button from YouTube. Very cool. Yeah, that's the big one, man. That's the big one, silver play button. So, write a W. Oh yeah, we need W in chat for the trade, man. Write a W in chat for the trade. YouTube chat. Let's see it. Wait, let me put the 100k as well. Let me put the 100k. Wait one sec. Let me put the... That would be sick. Together, you can't really have that. That's like something special, you know? Oh, I want that animation again. There was a cool animation. Let's get that animation. Wait. 100k subs plus a win on stream. Can't be happy. There we go. We talked about this breakout in the story before. Gold breaking out. Gave a nice little scalp. And yes, sir. There we go. Amazing. There we go. 100k subs plus a win on stream. Can't be happy. There we go. We talked about this breakout in the story before. Gold breaking out. Gave a nice little scalp. Yes, sir. 100k subs plus a win on stream. Can't be happy. There we go. We talked about this breakout in the story before. Gold breaking out. Gave a nice little scalp. Yes, sir. Told you it was worth showing up today. Yeah, that was an insane crash yesterday. All right. Thank you all. Thank you. You know what? I'm going to call it here, guys. Early stream for me today. Good trade. Well done. We will discuss the giveaway details soon. Don't worry about that. For flying out somewhere to Dubai. Someone to Dubai. And there you go, man. Crate opening. I will buy the keys. We will open it on stream tomorrow. I will buy the keys, okay? I need to buy the keys. Once I buy the keys, we can open the cases tomorrow. Big case opening. 100,000 cases for 100,000 subscribers. No, I'm joking. Could you imagine, man? So, yeah. Tomorrow we'll do that. Anyways, take care all. Tradesharpe, and hopefully catch you guys very, very soon. All right. Much love and peace. Much love. See you.